Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and this month in our preschool we are having Fairy Tale Preschool. I'm super excited to share with you guys my new curriculum called Fairy Tale Preschool. It is based on books like Little Red Riding Hood, Three Little Pigs, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Alice in Wonderland, and others like that. I'm going to share with you our first day, our first lesson, which is the Three Little Bears, and show you the different activities that we have to do in this curriculum with my 3-year-old. This curriculum is good for 2, 3, and 4-year-olds. It's not based on learning to read or any letters or anything like that. It's mostly activities, recognizing the numbers and patterns in math, and different activities to keep your little one busy and their brain active, and doing some hands-on activities to keep them learning. What we do for the literacy part is we normally refer to our phonics program, which for us is the Good and the Beautiful Pre-K. But you guys can use any program you want. You can go to learning a letter a week or anything like that, anything that you find to incorporate within this preschool curriculum. And then you can add all the other fun stuff to help your child to have lots of activities to do during the day. At this age, they should really focus on playing and doing crafts, and sometimes you just need a little guide. So my 3-year-old loves fairy tales and all these stories that she has me read over and over again, and that's where I came up with this idea. So here's our first unit, which is the Three Little Pigs. I hope you enjoy it. On the file that I send you, you will get this recommended book, and I'm gonna link this one as well. So this book has all of the fairy tales that you will need. They're in a different version, but they're happy stories. The characters at the end never die or get eaten or anything like that. For example, I have one story of the Three Little Pigs where the wolf gets eaten, but in this one he actually just runs away and he's okay. He just never comes back and bothers them again. So the first activity, we read the story, and now you will also get in here, these are the activities, tells you what to do. And then here, you print these on cardstock. This week we're practicing the letter number 6, 7. I want her to recognize the number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I've printed these on cardstock. What I'm going to do is cut them out, and she's going to blow the houses down. All right, Arilyn, come over here, and you're gonna blow the houses down. I want you to blow down the number 7. Good. I want you to blow down number 8. Green 8. Blow down number 9, the last number. Next you have these number cards, which we're going to cut out and laminate. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 again. We've cut the cards out and we have laminated them. And we have spread them out on the floor. And now is the fun part. Arilyn, run to number 7. 7 houses. Go! Now jump 7 times. Again, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now crawl back to number 10. 10 bricks. Now clap your hands 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For this next activity, she's to build 3 different houses made of 3 different materials. So here I use dominoes, wooden blocks, and Lego blocks.
That's the decoration to make it look pretty outside of the house. So now we're going to do that there.
Look, you can build it on here. You can put that on there.
Right there. Little pigs, little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hairs of our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
Go ahead. Blow the house down. Is that house easy to blow down?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one. Okay, those pigs have to run to the next house.
They can fly to the next house. Little pigs, let me in. Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins. Then I'll huff. Wait, you're supposed to say it.
Not by the hair of our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff. Then I'll blow your house in. Uh-oh.
Timber.
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair of our chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Hey, I can get you.
It's not working. Which house was the strongest, Marilyn? It's always the house made of bricks, isn't it? No matter
Yeah.
what kind of bricks you use.
Can you do this one?
You need a better glue stick?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Purple.
Mm-hmm.
This one's gonna have white. Let's see. Then came back to me. That'll be him.
Well, that's our curriculum for the 3 little pigs. I hope you guys like that. I'm going to post a link to my Teachers Pay Teacher store below where you can download that and all the others that come with it. And if you stay tuned to next Tuesday, I will be showing you our Little Red Riding Hood unit.